I wish I could turn back time. Oh, stay up all night singing songs on the terrace.
Good morning, guys. 10 degrees this morning. I already lost Miley. There she is. I have her vibration collar on, so all I have to do is buzz her and she comes a-running. 10 degrees is not bad. The sun's coming out too. So this morning I'm working on cutting these last two up, getting them in the freezer, and I'm making some breakfast right now because it is 10:30, almost 10:40. So I'm gonna make up avocado toast. So I really want to use up the last of my cilantro here before it does go bad, because it's getting to the point where it's going to just go bad. It's been a while though. There's still a few, like I said, underneath is pretty much all picked over. So I'm going to go through and pick out the best leaves of this, and then this will probably be the end of it. Got my toaster out here. Turn my coffee back on because it was cooling off. Also, preheating my pan. I always like to preheat the pan before I put my eggs in there. This is the bread I use with avocado because it is the best with avocado. It's a firm toast, so it holds up really well. I just use some avocado oil spray from Trader Joe.
We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17.
All right, that is breakfast this morning. 6 points. This is my Mongolian beef we're having for supper tonight. And let me tell you, if it got any less salty, it was really salty. It's definitely better today. So I think that rice soaked up a lot of the sodium. It's definitely less salty today. I just put some green onions on there. That is 14 points though, guys. But I didn't have lunch because I was playing games with Nick. So I totally missed lunch. So this 14 points is okay. You guys, it was lightning and thundering out here. Holy cow. I can't believe this for February we're getting a thunderstorm. I hope it does it again. I'm back out here again. It just lit up the whole sky. Like literally. And soon after I went in, you can hear it raining. So insane. February. You hear that? I missed the lightning though. It lit up the whole sky. I was switching the phone around because I'm going to get my jacket. Listen to that thunder though. Holy cow. So weird. So weird. Okay, I'm setting my phone down so I can go get my jacket on. Did you see it? Holy cow. I hope I got that. Wow. I hope I got that. That was a good one. So crazy. Yeah, it looks like it's snowing now. Yeah, you can't see that. It's the weirdest snow. Ooh. It's like lightning. I mean, it's like watching the fireworks. Ooh. Ah. I just want to go to bed right now and open up the windows.
And it stayed this way before it died.
Okay, I have to go in and finish my video. But yeah, we're getting a thunderstorm. Crazy. For your snack tonight, I'm having an RX bar. Well, I had an RX bar and some wheat thin crackers and a Diet Coke.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace.